Okay, raise your hand if your holiday decorations this year include a partially disassembled robot on the dining table? Just me? I don't believe you. Hey coaches, welcome to the final Coach FLL Tips video of the year.
We survived. Can you believe it?
What a year, huh? We analyzed the 20 worst mistakes so you didn't have to make them. Although I definitely made number 7 again last week. We tackled the unearthed season mysteries, and we learned that gracious professionalism counts even when the robot drives off the table. But seriously, I want to take a second to talk about the qualifiers. I know many of you just finished your regional tournaments. Whether you brought home a trophy or just a bag of broken parts, I am proud of you. The late nights, the pizza runs, the code that worked yesterday but not today. You made a difference in those kids' lives. That is the real win. And for those of you who punched your ticket to your national championship or the grand final, congratulations. You've got more work to do. No rest for the wicked or the engineers. Keep tweaking, keep testing, and get ready to shine on the big stage. Next year, we are going bigger. More tips, more strategies, and maybe, just maybe, my robot will actually go straight for once. Enjoy the holidays, recharge your batteries, literally charge your robot batteries, don't forget them, and I will see you in the new year for more FLL madness. Happy holidays, team. Coach out.
Ouch! Seriously, who left a 2x4 brick right there?